Yan guys, good morning, good morning. Yan po ang ating lunch meal for today. Ayan, pansit canton at yung tira nating buttered shrimp. At meron din yang pipino. Ayan po, sarap. At eto din po, may coffee, dark coffee. Ayan, coffee with milk. Yan po ang ating rice, only rice. At syempre may plain water po tayo. Yan guys, yummy yummy pansit canton with shrimp. Ayan, sarap. And guys, please support also my channel Tantalizing Eyes. Yan, maraming salamat and good morning sa inyong lahat. Ayan, sarap yan, no?